Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk on the best 5 freelance websites that pays Africa. Okay, best freelancer website in 2023. If you don't want to miss anything in this video, I will urge you to watch to the end of this video. Okay, so before then, let's look at what is a freelancer or who is a freelancer. Okay, a freelancer, from my own understanding, a freelancer is someone that is self-employed. You have a lot of work to do at a time. You can work for client A, work for client B, work for client C, and many more. You don't have a specific employer. Okay, you work for so many companies at a time and get paid at that time. Okay, looking at your screen, you can see what a freelancer is all about. I don't want to talk about the meaning of freelancer. I just want to introduce to you a website that can pay you much more as a freelancer. Okay, so if you are a freelancer, it simply means that you are an independent worker. You are self-employed. No one owns you. You own yourself. Okay, people pay you, different people pay you to do a work for them at a time. Okay, there are a lot of fields that hire freelancers. Okay, whether you are a writer, a designer, a developer, a marketer, or any skill that is valuable, this freelancer site is for you. Believe me, when you want to achieve success in this website, you must achieve success. Okay, just sit back and watch this video till the end. So before we start, I want to show you how much they make in a month. Writers on average, they make $30 to $40 per hour. That is, in a year they make 42 US dollar in a year. Editors, they make 40,000 US dollar in a month. Programmers, 120,000 US dollar in a month. General developers, as you can see, looking at your screen, you will see by yourself, mobile developers, web developers, graphic designers, transcribers, bookkeeping, online marketers, photographers, CRM managers, data analysts. All these things are coming out from one of the websites that I'm going to introduce to you. All you have to do is for you to watch this video to the end of this video so that you're not going to miss any of these sites. Okay, the first website that pays Africans freelancers is called Fiverr.com. This website pays Africans freelancers. All you have to do is for you to go and become a seller. Okay, most popular in writing and translation, articles, blog posts, translation, ghostwriting, proofreading, and many more. So anyone you can do, you go there and create jobs for yourself. This website pays Africans. Okay, the next on my list is called Guru.com. Guru.com, they pay Africa. Okay, as you can see, writing and translation, programming and development, sales and marketing, engineering, design and art, and many more. So there are a lot of skills that you can go and register on this platform and get paid. As long as you put your profile up very well, you are going to earn from this site. Okay, the next platform or website on my list is called Freelancer. Freelancer.com. Okay, you go there, you set up your profile, then you start making your money. Okay, the next on my list is called flexjobs.com. Go there, sign up, and set up your profile, set up your gigs, and you are good to go. The last and the most important one on my list today is called Upwork.com. Upwork.com is a very beautiful platform that you can earn much money. Okay, as you can see, the first site that I show you how much freelancers earn, it was from Upwork. Let me show you again. This is from Upwork. It is from Upwork how much writers, editors, programmers, general developers, mobile developers, web developers, graphic design, and many more, how much they earn in a year. And just shake yourself, when you can earn this amount of money in a year, how much are you going to make in 2 years when you are a dedicated or skilled personnel? Okay, if you want to learn more on how to start making money from Upwork and many more sites, I urge you to DM me for you to get started. Let me show you. That's why one of the things I love about GIG course. GIG course is one of the most important course that when you get that course, you are going to learn much more about this Upwork. Okay, in ghostwriting income generator course, about 14 topics. Okay, introduction to Upwork, and all you have to do is for you to DM me if you are interested in this course.